Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about something that can completely transform your desktop experience. I know it is for me, so I want to share this to you guys. The Edifier M60 speakers. Now you might be looking at them and thinking, wow, they're so small. But don't let the size fool you. They're actually average size. Edifier has a reputation for great sound, and these speakers are no exception. Now, I've been using them for a while now, and I've got a lot to say. We're going to dive into the specs, the design, and most importantly, how they actually sound in the real world. Now, first impressions out of the box, they're really well built and have a premium feel. They come in a few different colors like black, white, and the classic oak, which is actually a super nice touch. And the size is just perfect for a desktop, measuring just 100mm wide, 168mm tall, and 147mm deep. They're designed to fit in even the busiest of desktop setups. Okay, let's talk about what makes these speakers so special. First up, the drivers. Each speaker has a 1-inch silk dome tweeter and a 3-inch long throw aluminum mid-low driver. Now, what does that mean for you? That means that you get clear, detailed, high-end, and surprisingly powerful bass response for a small speaker. Edifier has a built-in digital signal processor as well, or DSP, which helps with the active crossover and the dynamic range control. Now, this basically means the sound is processed to be as clear and distorted-free as possible, even at higher volume. Now let's talk about connectivity. They give you options, which is always appreciated in my opinion. Now you've got rear-mounted USB-C and aux inputs for a wired connection to your computer, or even a turntable. And for wireless, you've got Bluetooth 5.3 with support for LDAC codec. This is a big deal because it allows for high-resolution audio streaming up to 24-bit or 96 kHz from compatible devices. Another cool feature that I love is its user-friendly touch controls on the top of the right speaker. The buttons are backlit, and the backlit actually automatically activates when your hand gets close and then turns off on its own. The color of the backlit even changes depending on your input source. Blue for Bluetooth, red for USB-C, and green for aux. Now a huge plus is no power brick. The power supply is integrated right in the speaker, so you can have that clean design on your desk. Now let's talk about these little guys. The speakers come with these aluminum stands. They're not just for looks. They're actually a very clever design choice. The stands angle the speakers up at a 15-degree angle. So why is that important though? It's all about directing the sound. By tilting them up, the sound is directed right to your ears. Now this also helps to minimize sound reflections from the surface of your desk. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the overall sound quality. So, how do they perform in real life? For a typical desk setup, they're fantastic. The stereo separation is great for gaming, letting you easily pinpoint where the sounds are coming from. For example, if you're playing a game, you're watching movies, or even YouTube videos, the bass is strong without muddying the mids or highs.
Get as many as you can.
Shock and awe. What are they, boys?
Let's do it. Oh, gotcha.
Your legend ends today.
And for music, they have a surprising tonal balance and clarity. Now let's get to the most important part, the sound. For their size, these speakers really punch above their weight class. I've played a wide range of music on them, from classic rock to hip hop to classical. And everything sounded clear and rich. Now the bass is surprisingly robust and the treble is delicate and insightful. Now, while they may not be world-beating audiophile speakers, they are an excellent pair of desktop speakers that sound fantastic. Now, if you want to fine-tune the sounds even more, they have an app for that. The Edifier ConX app lets you access additional functions like playback control and sound effect customization. Now, this is super handy because it has 6-band EQ that you can tweak to your liking. And the settings are saved directly to the speakers, so they work on all your input sources. You can also adjust the backlit settings and more. So, who are the Edifier M60 speakers for? I think it's there for students or apartment dwellers who need great sound in a small, space-saving package. I think they're also for anyone looking to upgrade their computer's audio from a cheap pair of speakers or the teeny sound from their monitor. They're also for creative professionals who need accurate sound reproduction for mixing or editing. Now for me, I like it because I'm a gamer and I want better stereo separation and immersive sound. And frankly, anyone who appreciates good, clean, and powerful sound without needing a massive speaker or subwoofer taking up their floor space. Now at the end of the day, the M60s are a big winner in my book. They offer great sound quality, it's very nice and great sleek aesthetic as well, and multiple connectivity options. And I also love how it's packed into a compact and elegant design. They prove that you don't need a huge speakers to get room-filling sound. Now, if you're interested, I'll have the link in the description down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, if you have any questions, I'll see you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!